Oh my goodness. I am at an Aldi. The Canadian is at an Aldi. I have never been at an Aldi before, so I am so excited to go inside. We're on vacation. We're in Florida, but I don't want to be eating out every single meal at restaurants, not even every single dinner. I don't want to feel like garbage while I'm here. I want to feel good. So I'm going to go in there, get some healthy things so I can feel great on this vacation. Yes, we're going to eat out a little bit, and that's okay. I'm all about balance, but I want something that's going to nourish me too. So we're going to go inside. We're going to check out the deals they have. I've never been, so I am so excited. Let's go in. So excited to go in. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Okay, they have a flyer, but I kind of want to be surprised as I walk around. So I'm not going to look at it yet, and I'm going to take a look around to see what they got. Okay, so when you walk in, as soon as you're here, that's usually where the sales are. So let's take a look at what they have right here. Come on in. Okay. They have strawberries. $1.99. We're getting those. So we're going to get 2 packs of strawberries. If they're $1.99, I can make smoothies, have for breakfast. We're getting 2. We're going to look down at the onions. Look at this. Look at this big old bag. This big old bag's $1.89. Yes, we're getting onions. We're going to need onions for everything that we're cooking anyways. It makes everything taste better. They have potatoes. Look at these potatoes. $2.29. Red potatoes. I'm going to get these. We're making something with potatoes. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Roast them, boil them. I don't know. But I love me a red potato. And oranges. I guess this is also our fruit for the week. And if we're in Florida, we have to get oranges. You know they're going to be delicious. Okay, let's put it in the cart. All right, I see a good find. Grapes, $1.49 a pound. Ooh, they're big too. Do you see that? So these pineapples, they're only $1.85. If we were here for longer, I would totally get this. But they're not going to be right by the time we have to leave. So unfortunately, I got to leave it. But that's an amazing price. $1.85? Okay, we have cucumbers. These are 95 cents and this is 59 cents. Yes, this is cheaper. But at the end of the day, look at the sizing. They end up being about the same price. $59.95. And this one's seedless. I don't have to peel the skin. So I think I'm going to go for the 95-cent one. We'll get a couple of those. Baby girl, can you give me a bag?
Yes. I don't know.
Oh, I don't need a bag. They're already packaged. Okay, I have to get spinach. I use spinach all the time. Y'all know I love me some spinach. Want to put in my scrambles, put in some smoothies. And this bag right here is $1.79. That's a pretty good price. One thing I'm noticing about Aldi is that a lot of the vegetables here are packaged. They don't really have it loose like they do in Canada. Maybe it's just this specific store. I don't know. Because I was trying to look for the bunch of spinach, but they don't have it. So I'm going to get the package at $1.79. Great price. I also see baby carrots here for 99 cents. My kids will eat these baby carrots. They like carrots. It's some sort of veg they can have easy on vacation. So I'm going to pop those in the cart. We need some tomatoes. These are 89 cents a pound. Aroma tomatoes. This is the cheapest out of all of them here. I don't care if they're Roma. I don't care if they're beefsteak. It doesn't matter to me. 89 cents a pound. We're getting those. So there's cabbage here on for 49 cents. We're visiting my parents here in Florida. So we're going to do a couple meals. This cabbage can get us through some cooked cabbage for a meal. And it also get us through some coleslaw for another meal. So I'm going to pick up this cabbage. It'll be minimal work. Just chop it up. And we have a delicious side for 2 meals. That cabbage is 49 cents a pound. It might cost maybe $1.75. And of course, we need bananas. They're 49 cents a pound. Bananas are always one of the cheapest fruits. Those look so good too.
Pickles. I kind of want this. $1.99. That thing's cheap for this bottle of pickles. Wow. Mom, can we buy pickles?
What'd you say?
Mom, can we buy pickles?
Pickles? Let's see the pricing.
It's cheap.
We can get pickles, but this one only has, this one's smaller than this one. And this one has way more for only 50 cents more. So we can get this one.
Oh,
$2.49. Okay, so we have some whole wheat bread, $1.45. Over here, there's some honey wheat. That one's $1.85. I'm just gonna go with the whole wheat, man. $1.45 for this big old loaf of bread? You can't even get it like that in Canada ever. Yes, whole wheat bread, baby. Okay, we're gonna get some cheese. I see a deal right here. It's 226 grams for $1.69. And there's Gouda in here. Totally getting the Gouda. So I see something just so awesome. I'm gonna get chicken thighs and make chicken thighs one day for our family. For my mom and my dad, actually my aunt and my uncle are around, and our family of 4. So we're looking for dinner for 8. So these chicken thighs, it's a family pack. It's on for $1.55 a pound. That's crazy. In Canada, you cannot find chicken thighs for that cheap ever. The cheapest I've seen it is for $1.99. Yes, there's an exchange involved, but this is just crazy. If you don't get the big pack and you get the small pack is $2.29 a pound. So why would I get these small packs? Even if I was just feeding our family of 4, I would buy the family pack, split it up, portion it, and freeze the rest. But y'all know I would just cook it all, and my future self would say it.
Thank you.
Right. So we're getting the big pack. This is crazy. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts for $2.29 a pound? What? In Canada, on sale, the cheapest price is $4.88 a pound. This is insane. I'm gonna pick up some of these. Yes, the family pack. And I'm gonna have these for our lunches. Probably spinach salad, because that spinach was a great price. If we get this small pack of chicken breasts, $3.29 a pound. $2.29 a pound. That's $1 savings just because you're buying more. So I'm gonna cook up those chicken, like I said, for our lunches, but we also will have some for our travels home. So I'm picking up the family pack. Can we talk about this Greek yogurt? How is this big old tub only $2.79? If we're in Canada, you guys must think I'm crazy when I say the best price is $4.77. Because this, for $2.79 is a steal, even with your exchange rate. Like, OMG, Greek yogurt, pack it in the bag. And this cottage cheese, $2.85 for this big old tub? This is crazy. I am loving Aldi. Wow, the prices are incredible. Eggs, of course, we need eggs for breakfast. Not only breakfast, we can boil some eggs for on our way home too, for on the road. $1.66 for 12. Mwah, incredible deal. Let's get the eggs. I'm gonna get 3. Yes. Grandma and Grandpa want some too. And let's get some more veg in our life. The way to make it cost effective, you just get it frozen. Not only is it cost effective, it's always chopped for you. And I'm not gonna be wasting time chopping up broccoli while I'm on vacation. So, $1.15 for this pack of broccoli. That's what I'm gonna do. Pick up some peas for $1 as well. Done. Okay, I've heard about Aldi finds. I'm gonna look down this aisle and see what they got, because I have no idea. Let's go. So I looked through Aldi finds. Honestly, didn't really find anything I wanted. Most of it's like housewares, clothing, that kind of stuff, the odd food item. But I looked through and nothing interests me today. But I love this concept because I would look here every single time I'd come, and I know I would find killer deals. So that's why I would peruse it every time. But today, not every day's a win. And today is one of those days. This is where everything clicked for me. I realized something I didn't expect going in. Produce is pretty comparable once you factor in exchange rates. It's close to what I pay back home in Canada. But the real difference is dairy, eggs, and meat. That's where it stops being even close. That's where you really see the gap between Canadian budget store pricing and US budget stores like Aldi. Same items, but in the US, the bulk packs and dairy stretch way further for the price. So I didn't come in with a plan, but I left with a huge realization. This is interesting because they scan everything and then you go to a counter off to the side to bag your items. We don't have this back home, so this is cool. You kind of get out of the way. Let's bag our stuff. Okay, so all this food. Come back up. All this food for breakfast for 5 days, for lunches for 5 days, for 2 dinners for 8 people. All of this food with all the sale items costs only $78.08 because I I looked for all the deals so that we could feed our family while we're on vacation and feel amazing. And that's how we do it here on Nutritionally Cheap, where we eat healthy, feel amazing, and save that moolah. Now let's end this properly. We like it cheap. Nutritionally cheap. That's how we eat. Nutritionally cheap. And for the love of frugal living, if it's not on sale, don't buy it. Let it wait. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.